Chrismon Heating and Cooling, new location. Same great customer warranties and guarantees.
Hello, I am Wayne Bishop. My experience with Chrismon Heating and Cooling has been outstanding customer service and attention to detail with every call.
Basically, our company shares the risk in any purchase with our customers. How do we do that? We have a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. We have 10 times the warranty of a lot of companies. Our customers enjoy 10 years, no out-of-pocket expense, and energy savings guarantee.
Ron and his crew over at Chrismon Heating and Cooling have maintained and serviced the HVAC system in my home for many years. They're clean, reliable, and dependable.
What is true customer service? One of that is background checks and drug testing. You want to make sure that you know who's coming into your house just like we do. If we don't let them in our house, we don't let them in your house. That's Chrismon Strong.